Alright, so this is a 2006 Hyundai Sonata V6 3.3 motor. Hadn't seen a lot of videos talking about where the VVT solenoids are. So just kind of going to give you a brief look. If you aren't familiar with how to take the manifold off, or the intake and all that stuff off, then it's probably not the job for you. But the first one is going to be located right down in there, right there. You'll actually be able to see it from the top. The only problem is that without taking this off, you won't be able to actually get the leverage you need to get to it, which is crazy because you can see the 10mm bolt and everything when taking it out, or when looking at it from the top, but it has to come off in order to get to it.